Proudly presented by Smart Hire. How to start and use a trailer-mounted log splitter. Begin by checking the fuel tank, making sure it is full and the cap is secured properly. Then, turn the stop-start switch into the on position. Follow this by fully engaging the choke. Adjust the lever into the full throttle position. Start the machine by tugging the pull cord. Follow this by disengaging the choke. To set the machine into the vertical position, simply pull the locking pin and lift the cylinder until the arm is upright. To operate the press, simply push the lever down for downward blade movement and pull the lever up for upward blade movement. Lower the throttle and allow the machine to settle. When finished, turn the stop-start switch into the off position. Reverse the setup process, leaving it ready for any future jobs. To hire this machine and many more, visit the team in store at Smart Hire.